Okay, so it's now connected. That's the Instagram page, and it's asking me, should I add somebody to manage the page? Of course, I'm gonna connect this Instagram account to our Facebook page. It's been successfully added to the business manager and connected to the Facebook page. It's been successfully added to the business manager, and now I'm gonna be adding another page, at least one person who can run ads, and it has full control of the ad account of the business manager. We have one page, right, that we can utilize. We have one Instagram account. It's not necessary though. If you want to run Instagram ads, you don't have to have an Instagram account or a page or whatever. Then we need to create one pixel, right? You need a pixel. So we're gonna create a pixel. Let's call it Georgi Homes pixel. Website. Actually, I'm gonna figure out one website. Actually, while I was shooting, I decided to not go for to get you into another business manager, so that you can see what is business manager with a lot of people. See, with partners, with pages, right? With accounts, a few accounts, like six accounts, and with pixels. Let's create a pixel. Let's create another pixel. I'm gonna call this pixel Pasios Pixels 2. Let's see, for instance, this is how you create one. That's gonna be the page we are going to be placing the pixel 2. So, but that's completely optional, as you can see. So imagine being set up pixel now. Okay, so now we're gonna do it. We can do it manually. We can do it through using by partner integration and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be canceling this one. We already created it, so, and I'm gonna place another pixel, so I can show you how to place another pixel. We can open this pixel also in Events Manager, which is another tool in the Business Manager itself. Here's this pixel, and we can go to Settings. That's the first thing you gotta do actually, and click this automatic advanced matching, turning this on, and track events automatically on. Then we can go on the overview, continue with the pixel setup, meta pixel, or conversion API. In this case, I'm gonna be showing you just meta pixel. Maybe conversion API is I'm going to leave it for another topic in another video. Manually or partner integration. I have a completely different video how to set up the pixel on meta pixel on Shopify. 3 different types of placing it manually, by integration, or using a third-party app application. So just watch this video. In this case, it's the fastest way is through a partnership application like Shopify. Let's place this video. I have a video for this for Shopify. I'm gonna be pinching this on the top of this video. Next thing, all you need to know is how to create your first audiences, and what audiences should you create. Let's go to this hamburger menu here on the left hand side. First, click on brand safety. That's very important, guys. Create a new domain. So we're gonna add this. It's not verified, right? And we're gonna verify it. The verification process is you just need to place this, copy it on a clipboard. You just paste it in your shop on the back end, between everything says here, like between the headers, right? And then you just hit the verification here to verify the domain. That's another thing that you need to know. It's not going to be mandatory within a few months, according to Facebook, according to Meta. There's a new announcement, but it's a good thing to have. It's a good thing to have because this is their fight against iOS 14. So it's good. It's good to have your domain verified. Then click on the hamburger menu. Let's go and figure out how to do some audiences, because this video started becoming very long. And now, first of all, we need to create a custom audience. And we're gonna create just a few custom audiences because we don't have a lot of data. Okay, so because we don't have much data, it's gonna give me just visitors. Yeah, it's gonna give me just visitors, but you need visitors, website visitors, 30 days. I'm gonna tell you what you need. And then the other audience that you need, it's also a website visitor 180 days, and I'm gonna be explaining why you need those. Okay, so you need them to exclude when you want to have really, cold traffic. You definitely need to exclude website visitors from this, this specific ad set, because it's put on specific ad set level, right? And then, of course, when you have the ability, you can create lookalikes and so on and so forth. I'm gonna have different videos for those. I have another video for retargeting, completely for retargeting, so I'm not going to get into those details. But yeah, this is how you create your first audiences, because in most of the cases, you're not going to have a lot of data on your pixel, or not data at all. So yeah, so let's go back to the business manager. We are going to start our first campaign. Click on ad accounts. Let's say we are choosing this ad account 2, or this one, it doesn't matter. And then click ads manager. As I said, this is going to be the tool that we are going to utilize in order to run. If you've done TikTok ads, Facebook ads are completely, TikTok completely copy pasted the user interface from Facebook. Create. Then we go to, let's say, leads. We're gonna create leads. We can go for sales, right? We can go for engagement completely, like they're mentioned here, all of them. So website, so video views, message, Instagram, WhatsApp engagement, posts engagement, and conversions is completely different. So app promotions or app installs, traffic, awareness. It used to be much better, I would say, divided, but now it's still okay. So leads, let's say go to leads. This is how we just created our first campaign. We need to do some tweaks in order to be able to launch it. What I do usually for naming conventions is that I'm just putting my name or of the agency, let's say my agency, or my name, my initials. So for the sake of this, test, I'm going to go for GP, like Georgi Petrov. Then what am I going to be promoting? What kind of offer? In this case, it's going to be Platio. I will use ABO. Usually use ABO for testing, CBO for scaling, but that's another video that I'm going to be shooting soon. You just hit lead, you choose the pixel, then hit lead, maximize number of conversions. I'll suggest you to start with this one. Usually what I do, then start with a very low budget when we talk about leads. Yes, it is conversion, but it's a much easier conversion than sales, for instance. So I would suggest you to go for it $10, and then of course, if unless you are pressured by launch. And really, It depends on the on your target market. That's another video, a completely another video. So targeting in this case only is going to be somewhere between 25 and 55. Gender is are women, because we don't have any type of lookalikes. We gotta figure out something along the lines of DoD. I think those are perfect for just for the sake of this example. 46 million. I wouldn't suggest you go for less than 5 million. So 46 million, it's great. It's a great target of the audience. And then we hit next. I haven't prepared anything to start with in terms of launching our ad, but let's go and see what we get inside. Okay, so we have a nice, of course that's a very dumb text copy, just doing everything on the fly. Then a nice headline. Description is absolutely it's just optional. It's good to write something along the lines of thousands of happy customers, or something if you have money back guarantee, or anything along those lines. Headlines is usually something that will get them right to buy. Then here usually is it could be learn more, but usually what we do is shop now or order now. It's good to be especially for the CTA. I wouldn't recommend you put budget on this. I usually test them with dynamic ads, but dynamic ads, like, it's a completely different animal that we are going to be discussing in different videos. Yeah, so it should be this one, so that we can remove this warning. And yeah, we're done with our ads. Here I usually put ad 1 or something like that, and then if it's the original ad, I put original. And then out of this ad I create with existing posts, so that I can preserve the engagement. In many more things are available for this option. So something along the lines of shop now. You may test different CTAs, right? Go to actions. I usually put and yeah, go over everything once again, publish, and we just created our first campaign ad set and ad. Okay, so we just created our first campaign ad set and ad, and this is really Facebook 101 what I wanted to start with. In different videos you can see most of them are some of them are even already on the channel, but I will be creating more and more and more. I'll create a completely different kind of set of just for Facebook and Instagram videos. This is the platform that I spend most of my money, over $18 million. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and thumbs up in order to spike the algorithm and to boost this video if you think that gave you some knowledge. And thank you very much again. Bye till the next time.